The exact plan to save $10,000 this year. Hook and pain point. You sitting at a desk or in a clean, modern space. Upbeat, inspiring music starts softly in the background. What if I told you that you could save $10,000 this year, and you might not even have to get a second job to do it? It sounds crazy, right? But most people get this wrong because they focus on cutting out coffee, when the real secret is much bigger. Welcome. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in the next 12 months. Let's break it down. 3-step framework. 1. The big 3 fixed costs. Icons for house, car, and bills appear on screen. This is where you'll find the most money, the fastest. Look at your 3 biggest monthly expenses. 1. Housing. Can you refinance your mortgage, negotiate rent, get a roommate? Even $150 off here is huge. 2. Car. Can you refinance your auto loan, shop for cheaper insurance? I saved $80 a month by spending 20 minutes on a comparison site. Affiliate link opportunity. 3. Subscriptions and bills. Audit everything. That gym membership you don't use, the 5 streaming services, cancel them. Call your internet and phone provider and ask for a retention deal. This alone could save you $200 or more a month. 2. The daily spending leaks. Quick cuts of you making coffee at home, packing a lunch, etc. Now let's find that $27 a day. I'm not saying never buy coffee again. I'm saying be strategic. Bring your lunch 3 times a week, save $25. Cook dinner at home 1 more night, save $40. Plan your grocery trips to avoid impulse buys, save $30. Small, consistent changes add up to hundreds per month without you feeling deprived. 3. Automate and multiply. Visual, screen recording or animation showing a bank app with an automatic transfer being set up. This is the most important step. The money you save is useless if it just sits in your checking account. The second your paycheck hits, automatically transfer your $833 into a separate high-yield savings account. This does 2 things. It pays you more interest. Some accounts pay over 5% right now, affiliate link opportunity, and it hides the money from you, so you're not tempted to spend it. The secret weapon. You lean in closer to the camera, more personal tone. Now, doing these calculations manually can be a pain, so I've created a free Google Sheet for you, my 10K Savings Challenge Tracker. It automatically calculates your goals and helps you track your progress across all 3 steps. It's completely free. The link is right down in the video description below. No email required. Just grab it. Recap and call to action. Back to the wide shot. Recap points appear on screen as you say them. So let's do a quick recap. To save $10,000 this year, 1. Attack your big 3. Housing, car, bills. 2. Plug the daily leaks. Food and impulse spending. 3. Automate the transfer to a high-yield savings account. This isn't about magic. It's about a system. And if you start today, 1 year from now, you'll have an extra $10,000 in the bank. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor. 1. Like this video below it really helps the channel. 2. Subscribe for more practical money tips.